This is the new apartment then. Korean style tiny apartment bathroom where you get the shower. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, man. So the shower's attached and then there's a drain. I'll clean that one. It's the bathroom. Bedroom slash living room slash foyer. You know what that is. Some closet space. Microwave. Pimpin' thing. Burger. Unknown consistency. It's about to go down. Chicken. Microwave chicken. I think it actually looks like this. Hold on a second, let's see. Interesting. I don't know if this is even cooked or not. Let's see. It tells you how to work it, I think. I wonder if that means bake it first and then microwave it. Oh well. Doesn't matter because I don't think I have an oven. And then we have this. Ooh. Non-stick cookware. This is the shit from the guy who lived here before. And now, as always, the Simpsons are in the building. And now we are doing the laundry. Okay. We got the whites in here. Alright? So that's what's up. The whites are in here. Now, what the fuck does this say? Okay, so when you do that one, it's an hour and 35 minutes. Do this. Let's see. Alright. So let's see. So I think this means, well, no, I think that this one means water. I think. Not sure what this one is. But that's power. And that means play the CD, so let's see what happens if we do that. Okay, it's going down. Oh, shit, detergent. It's gotta go in here. Oh, that might be too much. Shit. Oh, shit. Now it's gonna put some. Alright. Yeah. So. We'll see how that works out in a little while in 1:35.